Hello friends, so today we talk about the scale, understanding scale. One of the first thing an architect or engineer and any other technical person must know about is scale. By various scales, architects and technical people can create manageable and accurate representation scale we can convert something real life dimension to small or big size. For example, scale 1/100 or 1/100 means that 1 unit in drawing is equal to 100 units. 100 units of same measurement in the real life. For example, if we have a land shape like this, which is 20 meter in 10 meters. So if you want to change it to scale, we use formula that drawing length equal to scale multiplied by actual length and centimeter so here drawing length equal to, what is the scale? The scale is 1 by 100 into actual length in centimeter. The actual length is, for example, if you take this 20 centimeter, so we will change it to centimeter, so it will be. So friends, sorry the video could not be uploaded, so I just take another photo or video from the remaining part. So you see that drawing length equal to the scale, which is 1 by 100 into 20 meter, which is 2000 centimeter. So if you calculate it 1 by 100 like this one, so it will become 2000. So if you go with calculation, so it will become 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter will be applied in the drawing. Also with this formula, if we see the 10 meter, so 10 meter will become like 10 centimeter in the drawing. Also we have scale conversion calculator. It converts every scale to different measurement. So sometimes if you don't have time or if you don't understand, so you can just go directly to scale calculation or scale conversion calculator too. Thank you. Have a good time.